What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You know what, you guys? I was about to start on a brand new aisle, but I just came across some of these, and I don't know if I've shared these with you guys in the past. We have the Juicy Facial Mask in Rose Oil Hibiscus. This is a single treatment. We also have Cucumber Aloe Vera. I think there's one more, maybe two more. Citrus coconut water and seaweed eucalyptus. You guys, have you tried these? Are these any good? I mean, I can't tell you guys about every product, so that's why we have to work together. The new microfiber towels in gray. The little BPA-free water bottles. Look, you guys, these are brand new this week. Brand new. We also have the little tiny 2-packs. These are BPA free as well. I like the little spout. The nail guard sponges. You can just kind of stick your nails in the side as you wash dishes. These look little and cute. The super value sponges. This store never really has many containers. I think they just sell out really fast. These are also available in Family Dollar this week by the Essentials brand. I just got some during my live in Family Dollar. Okay, now the aisle is all ours. The Sure Scents warmers are over here with the night lights, if you're looking for one. Disposable shoe covers. 12 to a pack. That's my first time seeing those. Armor all-purpose car wash. How much do you need? Let's see. Does it say? It doesn't really say how much you're supposed to use. It was kind of a small bottle, so I wanted to see if maybe it was like condensed and you only needed a capful or two. Because if that's the case, then it would be worth getting. The Pedialyte knockoffs are here if you ever need it. The bibs are so cute. Oh my gosh, this is my first time seeing the piggy. The piggy is so cute. Marie, if you're watching, I know you are super excited looking at baby items since your daughter is expecting. And I know you watch all of my videos, so thank you so much. There are definitely some nice deals here for baby at Dollar Tree. The Brush Buddies finger toothbrush. Perfect for cleaning those baby gums, getting baby used to getting their teeth brushed. You can't go wrong with the Barbie or the Shimmer and Shine Detangler. It's so good. We have baby brushes. Super cute. The baby spoons. And fork sets. The body wash. I used to get that for Gator. And I used to get this lotion for Gator too. The baby lotion. You know what? Let's see if we have any new pet stuff. Let's turn around. Again, I think a lot of my Dollar Trees stock up on Tuesday, so I'm here on a Monday once again, and You guys were commenting how it looked a little bare a couple weeks ago, the last time I was here at this location. Ocean Explosion by Meow Mix, and we also have a 9 Lives chicken and turkey, and we also have Ocean Medley for kitties. I found this Sure Scent oil warmers, and remember, if you guys need one of these things, the diffuser, it might just be over here by the night lights. I always like to look through the cleaning stuff. This is so pretty, isn't it? I always see this and I'm like, I want to get this. Like if I had a clear dispenser, I would totally want to get that. That just looks so pretty. We have the Soft Touch almond milk and blueberry scent Palmolive, and I feel like the packaging is different. It's made with a 100% recycled plastic bottle, but I feel like the bottle and the color is a little different than usual. The dupe for Method, I got a couple last week, but I haven't tried them yet. You guys convinced me during my live that I need to get those, so I did. Ooh, lime and baking soda. Tell me in the comments, do you like shopping for cleaning stuff? Jess, if you're watching, I know you love shopping for cleaning stuff too. Like, I love to look at everything. And back before we had to wear masks, I used to love to smell everything too. Like, I really, really love shopping for cleaning things and laundry things. Like, it's just kind of an experience. Ooh, these are new. The Suavitel Complete Soothing Lavender. It's white. And then we have Sunshine Bloom, also another Suavitel Complete, and it says it has stain shield. That's my first time seeing those. Ooh, and I see something pink, so I have to grab it. Floral Bouquet. It smells really nice. You can smell it through the box. Pretty packaging too. I really love the Breezy dryer sheets. I think they're pretty good. We're getting close to the food, you guys. And guess what? We have name brand cereals here once again, you guys. Yes, once again, we have name brand cereals, and we still have the Premier protein drinks and peaches and cream and strawberries and cream. This is such a great deal. These cost $7.47 for a 4-pack at Walmart. So we're getting them for almost half price if we buy them here. But hey, you guys, join me in my next video. We have snacks and food to look at. I don't know, I might film 2 more videos. It really just depends on how many new items I see. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.